Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So in the weekend with the Quran, today I'm going to do Surat Kaf, ayat number 23 to 33. So let's get started. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Ayat number 23 is وَقَالَ كَرِينُهُ هَذَا مَا لَدَيَّ عَتِيدٌ. It means that and once accompanying angel will say that here is the record ready with me. So on judgment day when the people will be brought forward by the two angels, one taking them and the other one holding the record, then the one holding the record, he will show the record that this is ready. Everything that he's been doing, everything that he's been saying throughout his life is ready in this record. The next ayat is ayat number 24. Al-qiya fi jahannama kulla kaffarin anid. It means that it will be said to both angels, throw into hell every stubborn disbeliever. So, or every disbeliever who has been stubborn, not listening to the warnings that were given, the angels accompanying them will be told to throw them in hell. Ayat number 25 is Manna'il lil khairi mu'tadin murib. And what else did these people do in addition to being stubborn disbelievers? They were the withholder of good. Yani they used to stop people from doing good, stop them from going to masjid, stop them from learning the deen and all that. Transgressor, meaning they used to cross their limits, did not follow what they were told to do, and doubter. And they doubted Allah being one, judgment day, resurrection, everything. Ayat number 26 is Allazi ja'ala ma'allahi ilahan akhara fa'alkiyahu fil azab shadid. It means that who set up another god with Allah, so cast them into severe punishment. So these people, they thought that they were other partners with Allah, so now it's time for them to get the severe punishment. Ayat number 27 is قال كرينه ربنا ما أطغيته ولكن كان في ضلال بعيد. So now their companion, another kind of companion, one's devilish associate will say, and that devilish associate, every human has a devil also with him associated. So that devil associate with him, who's been living with him throughout his life, will say, Our Lord, I did not make them transgress, rather they were far astray on their own. Because Shaitan does not have any physical power over us, it can only whisper. So the devilish associate is going to say that I did not make them transgress. It is they who wanted to do this. Ayat number 28 is قال لا تختصموا لدي وقد قدمت إليكم بالوعيد. It means that Allah will respond that do not dispute in my presence, since I had already given you warning. So warning was given, and do not argue, Allah will tell them in my presence. Next ayat is ayat number 29. ما يبدل القول لدي وما أنا بظلام للعبيد. It means that my word cannot be changed, meaning that the decree to punish the wicked humans and jinns, it cannot be changed now, nor am I unjust to my creation. So, and that is the reason why, even though Allah does not need to, but still their book of deeds will be shown in front of them to show them that it is because of these deeds that you are going to hell and Allah is not unjust. Ayat number 30 is, and this is a very scary ayah, Yawma nakulu li jahannama halim talati wa taqulu hal min mazid. It means that beware of the day that we will ask, Allah will ask hell that are you full yet, when so many people will be thrown in it, then Allah will ask it that are you full yet, and it will respond, are there any more? Hal min mazid, Allahumma jinni minan nar. Ayat number 31 is wa uzlifatil jannatu lil muttaqina ghayra baid. It means and paradise will be brought near to the righteous, not far off. And then for them to be able to see it, ayat number 32 is Haza matu aduna likulli awwabin hafiz. It means then it will be said to them that this is what you were promised for whoever constantly turned to Allah and kept his commandments. So whoever constantly turned to Allah in his prayer, in whatever difficulty he faced, making dua and everything, then for these people there for these righteous people there is paradise. And then the last ayah for today is ayat number 33, man khashiya rahmana bil ghaibi wa jaa bi qalbi munib. It means that who were in awe of the most compassionate without seeing him, and have come with a heart turning only to him. And in ghaib, without seeing him, and also when they were alone, they feared Allah and stopped themselves from doing bad stuff. So these were the ayahs for today. Inshallah, tomorrow I will complete the surah. Fi amanallah.